Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the chat. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow CONFINED speaking. So I think the title suggests is Bitcoin on life support. I want to show you what's going on in the market right now so that we'll all be clear that Bitcoin is, it's not really showing that much strength, although the market is pushing up really nicely right now. I'm just going to go over where Bitcoin is right now, the current status of the death cross, and just give you the one level that it needs to close a daily candle above in order to push higher. Just a previous level of support. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, join us on this beautiful story behind price action only. Okay, nothing else. All right. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's dive right into this chart here, shall we? So today's June the 24th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin is going to be $34,617.21. It's slightly positive, approximately 2.8% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. You guys may remember this chart. All right, let's see if I can back out. All right, perfect. Okay. Hopefully you guys remember, we actually deleted that video about Bitcoin candles and volume. Yeah, we're going to delete that. Hopefully you guys remember what we went over. So 30.1K is the seller's obligation level. Simply exactly as it sounds. The sellers need to get the price below and stay below and continue lower. And of course, the buyer's obligation, just the reverse, right? Break above, stay above 43.6 to continue higher. Now, the reason that I'm saying that Bitcoin may be on life support is because what we're going to do is just focus on this area right around here, this kind of clustered area here. And it's super simple what we look for, okay? You guys know what we look for, right? Lower lows, okay? Low here. It's kind of a double bottom there. Lower low and a lower low, okay? So Bitcoin is making lower lows. And unfortunately, it's not making higher highs. We got a high here, double top. We got a higher high. That's really good. But of course, it made a lower low. So that's not ideal. Okay. This doesn't mean Bitcoin's about to crash, guys. I know a lot of people are still nervous about Bitcoin. We are still currently long the market, looking to flip sides, if you know what I mean, soon, but not yet. Okay. Now, the previous level of support, let's go over that. Just one level, everyone. If you don't get anything from this video, let's make sure that we're all clear about one level on the daily candles. Let's pull up the previous level of support. Make it super simple. Don't overcomplicate it, okay? You see that green line right there? We just put the green line at, let's see here, right there at about $35,450, okay? Let's just call it 35,000.5, okay? If we get a daily's candle to close above that level, and it's not a fake out, so if you like kind of break above, right, get some sort of whiplash and continue higher, beautiful. That's what we need, okay? And that would be the first start, okay? That's all we're going over, guys, a previous level of support. So we need to get a close above that level, I'd say within the next 24 to 48 hours. It shouldn't take that long if there is strength here, but I don't want to say I don't see strength. The reason that I'm saying it's on life support, guys, is because, again, it's making lower lows, okay? That's our first thing, all right? Low, double bottom, low, and a lower low. Now, the reason that I'm saying that it's still not ideal in terms of strength, because, I look for the time, right? Notice this candle, this drop off, so to speak, right? June the 21st, this red candle here. It only took one daily candle to push the price down. But notice how many days it's taking to actually replenish the entire sell candle, right? It's taking, whoops, can't do that. The three candles right here, guys. One right here, June the 22nd, 23rd, 24th. It's taking 3 daily candles just to replenish the market from this one sell candle as the market dropped off. Okay, that is an indication that it's kind of like they're forcing the markets up, right? They're, it's kind of like on life support, so to speak. Okay, guys, we're still long the market. Okay, I think I've already said that, but we're still long the market. This isn't like a bearish video. It's just letting you guys know that it needs to get above this one level to proceed higher. Just kind of a short-term prediction for Bitcoin. We'll go over that level one more time and close it out. $35,500. Okay, get a nice daily candle, close above that level. We should be in good shape here. Okay, we still have our same targets on Bitcoin, and that's going to be 40, just kind of 43,000. It's a short-term, I guess, less than 30 days if I had to just give a time. less than 30 days, this green line here at about $43,600. I think the market has the potential to reach that level, and that would be a really nice indication that the market is making a new high. Although it did make a lower low, the only thing that we're looking for, guys, BTC needs to make a higher high, and that's higher than 40,000. Okay, right here, about 41,000. If it can't do that, then unfortunately, yeah, we're in a bear market. Okay, let's pull up the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages. If you can see there, I can't make that up. As hard as it is to say this, you know, to you guys, but remember, just have a strategy. That's it, right? We are in a technical bear market. We got a lot of people challenging us when we said, is the bull market potentially over? Yeah, a lot of thumbs down and everything, but that's fine, guys. I'm just giving it to you as I'm seeing it here on the chart. Not perfect, and I will get this wrong. Okay, the cross, death cross there. All right. 50 cross below the 200. If you knew, that just simply means that this is a technical bear market as long as the price activity is taking place below the red line, the 200 exponential moving average. Okay, we are in a technical bear market. What could take BTC out of a bear market? Well, the first thing it would need, I mean, it's obviously the crosses happen, right? But if we can get some sort of aggressive price activity to break above the 50 and the 200, the red line and the green line, and just kind of, you know, just kind of get back above those two lines to start consolidating, coiling, right? What that'll do is it'll create the 50 to uncross from the red and actually go up, right? And the red 200 exponential moving average will kind of like, I guess, go sideways, flatten out, right? And continue and then curl up, assuming that the market can break above both the price action, right? The price action needs to break above both green and the red line and just start like, I don't know, like coiling or something. Guys, we do see this market moving higher. I'm trying to put my finger on when this will actually happen. Let's give it another 2 weeks, okay? You have the short-term prediction, 35.5, get a candle, daily candle to close above that level. We should be okay for another potential move to the upside. I'm not sure if we're going to get like a pump. I'm not sure if everyone's looking for this aggressive pump to the upside, but yeah. At this point, you know, we just got to get what we can, right? If it slowly, you know, kind of gradually crawls up, that's fine. Just got to take it for what it is, guys. But the sellers are here. There's an immense amount of sell pressure in this market. You had better believe it. All right. And that's all, guys. You have the 35.5. You have that. You have the overhead target 43.6. Less than 30 days to play out. And of course, I guess the market can't make a lower low. When I say can't, if it makes a lower low, I guess the more sell pressure is going to step in because they realize the market can't make a new high, so they're going to make a lower low, right? The lowest level was at like $28,000 and like $300. BTC needs to break above 40,000. That's it, guys. That's it. So let's give it a week, 2 weeks for BTC to play out, and let's revisit the charts. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out to the investors. Also, if you're new, we cover the traditional stocks if you're into that 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey. We'll send you that information when it is available. Hit the subscribe and all. We'll send that to you. Okay? Once again, thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate that. We'll talk very soon. There's some selling pressure here, unfortunately, guys, but we'll make it through. We're long. We should proceed higher. Just be patient, okay? And we'll talk soon. Execute your strategies, please. And bye for now.